Hello, there's my Henry in the background. My golden boy, always. Welcome to Anne's Amazing Adventures. I have been doing a little bit of thrifting online because, well, I just haven't felt well enough to do anything. But I'm feeling pretty good today considering what I've been through. So I went and picked up my stuff that I acquired. I think. I'm hoping I haven't showed you guys these already. But it's just a Teleflora mug. But it's a happy face. I needed that on Tuesday morning. But anyways, I have a candle that matches this as well. So there's that. I paid $1 for that. And then I got it home and I really examined it, and there's a crack in it. So I guess I'm keeping this one. No selling that. And then I found this. I love trinket boxes. I really do. I found this one. I'm not sure if I showed you this one yet. But it's got a mother's love cannot be measured, just highly cherished and greatly treasured. And it's like that. And this is by Kathy Ann Keepsake Boxes. And this lady got it in 2008. And I paid $2 for this one. There's no chips or anything on it. And so that's very pretty. I got to get that listed right away in case somebody needs something. In my Etsy shop, because I don't have anything sold out of my eBay shop, so they won't let me list any more items. So I've got a couple of willow tree. I love these things. A couple of them. I found them for $5 each. These ones, this one is the grandmother, and this is in 2001, so it's 24 years old, and this is the grandmother. Aren't those gorgeous? I think they're just beautiful. If I go to Calgary, I could do that to a baby. There's a baby down there that's been in the hospital for a long time. He wouldn't eat. And then I got this one, and this one is called Shine. And it is 2014, so this one's only 10 years old. But she's got little sparkles all over her dress and up on her arms, on the sleeves. But yeah, so they have no faces. They have no faces, people. That's why I like them. The Willow Tree collection. So those two are going up on my Etsy right away too, so in case someone wants for grandmother for Mother's Day. So I got those off of a lady. And then I got this off of the same lady. It's a teapot. It's a Limoges. How do you say that? Limoges. It's got a big chip out of the bottom of it there. The inside is fairly clean. Doesn't look like she used it much. But she has this rubber thing on here, so I'm thinking there's something wrong with the spout, and I don't want to take the rubber off of there in case. And then on the lid, it has a big crack right there. And it's got a few flea bites, but nothing real serious. And that doesn't show when you're having tea with someone. It definitely doesn't show. And I love the little frog on the top of it. So I'm going to list it. It's got a few minor, but somebody will be wanting it because it's got a frog on it, I'm sure. I'm going to pretend that. Henry's looking at me like, Mom, what are you doing? And I found another. I went to my first garage sale today. I had to go to town to get a few groceries, and because I had none here. And I saw this lady putting a garage sale sign up, so I went over there before I left town. And so I got this little heart trinket box. It's wood. And she also gave me a bunch of free wood that I can make stuff out of it. And it has something fairy on here. I'm not sure. The glass is out, Anne. Bonner's Ferry in Idaho. So that's it. I do know where Bonner's Ferry is, by the way. It's in Idaho. I've been through it a few times on my motorbike years ago. So I got that, and I picked myself up a tabletop barbecue because I do have my Blackwell, but sometimes I just like that barbecued hot dog. So I picked myself up a barbecue at the garage sale, and I got this brand new diamond painting, and she had $5 marked on it. She had $5 marked on, what else was it? $5 on this, $5 on the barbecue, 50 cents on the Bonner's Ferry treasure or trinket box, $5 on this. Can't remember what else, but anyway, she gave it all to me for $10 instead. She's just trying to get rid of everything because they're moving, and they're moving to Lethbridge, so I wouldn't want to be selling everything, but whatever. It's beneficial to us. So this is the Seaside Lighthouse. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep this and do it myself or sell it. So another little thing I found was this little plate, this little serving dish. It's very, very beautiful. It's from Italy. It's a little bit like there's flea bites on it, but not bad. Most of them that you see with this pattern and these peanuts in the middle of it are three plates. So this is a very rare find. And there are, like I said, there's no chips on it. So that'll be a good, but I found when I got this one home too that it has a big crack there. And it goes right through. I think I found another one too somewhere. Oh yeah. This one here has a crack here. If you can see it, and a crack right there. So I might have to keep this one, but that's okay because I think it's really cute. And I only paid like 50 cents for it. And then online I found these little things, and these are so kitschy. I love them. This is a Scotch tape holder. Isn't that cute? So that is going on right away for Mother's Day. And then this is a little purse, and it's a Post-it holder. I don't know how these come out though. There we go. But then you got to dig in here for more, so I'm not sure how this works. But anyways, I think it's really cute. So now I'll have to figure it out. So I think that's everything that I picked up. Just small things because I don't have a lot of room here. And I don't want to, like I have my storage unit for the bigger stuff that I got to take some stuff there in the next week. Load my car up and take it in and put it in storage. So, because I'm getting ready to move. I applied for 2 jobs, one in Cochrane, Alberta, which is right on the face of the mountains, which I really, really hope I get that one. or one in Drumheller, which is down, and they call it the dinosaur area. So, yeah, I'm kind of hoping I get one of those two jobs to tide me over for a little while. I sent the applications out, so hopefully we'll see what happens. I just want to get out of here. Like Rose and I get along just fine, but I can't walk up to her house anymore because of my COPD. It's too far for me to walk, so I can't even go up and have a nice hot bath. So I go to town and have a shower at the trucker's stop. Hey, it works and it's clean. So I'm okay with doing that. So, and that way I can have a shower and wash my hair and do all that nice stuff, that after. Because I do like a shower better than a bath. And Rose's shower is screwed up right now anyway. So and I have friends that have all told me, come and shower over here. Well, yeah, I could do that too. But I hate being an imposition on anybody, so that's why I don't. And it's clean. It's very clean, actually. I was quite shocked. It's not like a normal trucker's shower. But anyways, so, oh yeah, I got this little mug too today at the garage sale. I've already used it. I washed it and used it. It's a David's tea mug. It's got these leaves going, gold leaf going around it. It's glass. But it's got an inside cup in there, so it kept I wanted to try it, and it kept the coffee very, very warm for quite some time. So that was kind of nice. So I think that was everything that I got today, besides my groceries. That was lots, I think. But for everything that I bought, let's see, I got 5, 10, 15, 25. I think I spent about $30 altogether on stuff to go on my page. So I did not put these away. I better just list them while I'm got the computer open. All right. I guess that's everything. I'm doing okay. I'm having a really rough time sleeping because Henry has always slept at the foot of the bed and Tank always slept up right on my shoulder. So I'm having a real rough time with that. And when I get up in the mornings way too early, but that's okay. I'm allowed to do that. But Tank would be out behind me within 5 minutes because I wasn't on the bed. So he would come to find me. Well, he's not here to do that in the mornings anymore. And Henry doesn't get up till about 9 o'clock. He sleeps in. He's a senior. He's allowed to. If the vet was right when I rescued Henry, he should be 14 years old. He'll be 15 in October. No. I've had him for 8 years in October. And the vet figured he was 6 years old. So I have been watching him just steady lately because worrying. And here he's the one acting like the pup, and little Tank would have only been 5 years old at the end of this month, and he starts having strokes. So the little dogs are very, very hard to look after and keep them for a long time, especially the little ones like Tank, because there's so much interbreeding to try and get them perfect. Like, I think every dog is perfect. Every dog, I don't care what they look like or if they're on 4 legs and healthy, I think they are beautiful. I'm a dog person. So, but I've only got Henry now, and that's all I'm having until I'm gone. I don't want any more dogs. So please, my friends that watch me once in a while, do not bring me any dogs. I don't want another one. Henry and I are just fine together by ourselves. He's really missing Tank too. He looks all day long. He goes all the way back to the bedroom, and then he'll come back up here, check on the couch, check on the floor all around, and he just can't find him. So he's a little bit depressed too. But he's been spending lots of time outside with me today. I was outside quite a bit doing a few things out there. I've got a lake happening right outside my door. And Rose has finally got the drain clear. She has a like a culvert underneath her sidewalk because the snow from the melt off the snow, it runs down to that dip in the sidewalk. So she finally got that cleared out today. So now finally the water has somewheres to go. So it's starting to drain out pretty good now. So, but anyways, that's all I have for now. I hope you have an amazing day. God be with you, and ciao for now.